Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And if you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and hit the little notification bell as well so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. So what I'm going to be doing in this video today is a little DIY. And it's not the DIY that you would normally think of, like, you know, making up my own concoction for something for my hair, but I'm actually going to try to create my own headband wig. And I'm pretty sure that you are familiar with what a headband wig is, but if not, it is basically a wig with a headband attached to it, and it can be like in different colors, different patterns and prints and everything, but it is actually attached to the wig. So all you have to do is just, you know, put your hair down, like slick your hair down, put the wig on and secure the band around the back of your hair, and you know, you're good to go. So the way that I'm going to create my own headband wig is by using a wig that I already have. It is a half wig, and use a headband that I already have. I actually have two headbands here, and one is in this print and the other is in just this black and white print. And the wig that I have is it is Milan Girl, and it is in the color 1B, and it is a shake and go wig, and this is what, you know, it is looking like in the bag. So I am just going to take it out. Now I have had this wig for a while now. And I did used to wear it, like, you know, long ago, but I just kind of stopped wearing it. But this is what the wig looks like, and I would have to say that it still is in pretty good condition. Let's see, I'm not really sure how long the wig is. Let me see if it's on the pack somewhere. It is not, but it looks like it might be maybe about 20 inches maybe. But this is what it looks like inside. It has the combs here, and it has some combs in the back as well. And this is what the cap looks like. And y'all, I am not a wig guru by any means, but that's pretty much all I know to tell you about this wig. But it is kind of tangled right here in the back, like right here, but we're gonna work with it. So the first thing I'm going to do is slick my hair down. This is actually a 6-day-old wash and go, and I would say, like, it does, you know, still look pretty good, has definition, has the volume. But I wanted to try this little DIY headband wig out. So yeah, I have my water bottle here. I used the Wetline Extreme Gel and the Pattern Beauty Leave-In Conditioner to do this wash and go. I'm just going to spray around the perimeter of my hair and just go from there. Now this is just something that I am like experimenting with. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but I'm just going to wet my hair. And I do have this soft bristle brush as well. I'm just gonna kind of brush it some. And as you can see, it is not perfect. But y'all, I just wanted to do this because, like, I did my research, and some of those headband wigs are like $150, and I really don't want to spend that much for a headband wig when possibly I could make my own. And I don't really wear wigs often like that anyway, and I think that's kind of why I stopped, you know, wearing this one in the past. I think it's good though to kind of switch it up sometimes, but yeah, I don't really, you know, wear it often. I am just going to go ahead and get this little hair tie right here and put my hair in a ponytail. Might even just put it like in a bun, a low bun in the back, just to see how it's gonna work. Okay, so this is how it's looking in the back. Definitely not perfect. So what I'm going to do is put the wig on like this, and I'm going to just put the combs in right here, and I am going to pull the hair over my bun, just kind of slide the combs up. All right, so this is what it is looking like. Super cute, y'all, super cute. This is what it looks like in the back. This is the length of it. So in the past, when I would wear this wig, I would just have like 3 twists in the front and twist them up, and then, you know, once they were set, I would untwist them, and then it would just blend in with the wig. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do this headband first right here, and this is actually a Can-2 headband wrap. I got this in a curl box, I believe, but I think they do sell them in Target as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this on my head like so. Let me just put it down over my around my neck, pull the hair out, pull the band up, slide it back so we can cover up the part of the wig where it begins and where it ends. Spread the band out. Oh my God, y'all, isn't that cute? Ooh, this is so cute, y'all. I am loving it. OMG, y'all, it looks so cute. So then what you can also do, if you want to, you can also put it in a ponytail. Let me just use this little satin scrunchie for now. Just put it in a ponytail. Oh my God, y'all, that is the cutest. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah. All right, so now what I think I'm going to do is, like, it is so many styles that you could do. Maybe I could do like a bun, half up, half down. And you know what I'm gonna do, I'm probably just gonna go ahead and clip it just to make it a little bit easier to see how it looks pulled back. Y'all, that is cute too. Super duper cute. So y'all, imagine what my hair would look like if I actually took the time to, like do my edges and, apply the gel and just let it set even longer. Alright, so now I am going to try it with the black and white band. So this one is not as cute as the other band that I had on, but it's still cute. But this is what that looks like. So y'all, I am super duper excited that this little DIY situation worked. So y'all just keep that in mind. Like if you already have a wig and you have these headbands, like just go ahead and use those wigs that you already have and buy some cute colorful headbands. That's what I plan to do. I'm gonna buy me some more and just make it work, do different styles. And this will definitely be a great protective style as well. I did not apply a wig cap because I did not have one. So I think that I am going to get a wig cap to put on my hair before I actually put the wig on, just to protect my hair. And I will probably do like some twist or something up under it just to make the wig sit a little bit flatter. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, y'all. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so before you go. Don't forget to hit the little bell so you'll be notified when I do upload another video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.